Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very pretty purple kind of look to share with you. I always say this, but I absolutely adore and love this look. It's so beautiful. I chose to do a bright lip and it is look number 3, actually using the BeautyBay Midnight palette. I love BeautyBay. There will be links to BeautyBay in the description box. There'll be videos in the cards. Don't sleep on BeautyBay. Go check them out. Profusion eyeshadow primer and hard candy chilling wonder powder under eyes to catch any fallout. But these eyeshadows really don't have very much fallout at all. And I'm taking the BeautyBay Midnight palette and I'm taking in the first row the darkest matte purple in that row. And I'm going to take this on somewhat of a crease brush. And it's more of a densely packed pointed version of a crease brush, if that makes sense. And I'm going to be taking it on the side of that brush. So I'm going to be patting and pressing it in my outer corner and then slightly bringing it into the crease area. Notice that most of the time my hand is towards the end of the makeup brush, which means I have looser control in the crease, which makes for easy blending. Now, in the first row, I'm also taking this pretty shimmery purple shade. The names go by pretty fast. I just don't feel like going to get my palette, to be honest, and tell the names, but it's just a shimmery purple, and I'm applying that with my finger on the lids, and I'm going to blend the outer corner shade with the shimmery shade I placed on the lid. Now, next shade, I am taking this really light purple here, and it's like a pinky purple, and it just reminds me of a gumdrop. I don't know, that's like the first thing that comes to my mind, but I'm going to take this in the crease, and I'm using this as a transition shade. I'm slowly learning that I cannot do, because I prefer doing transition shade first and then doing outer corner, or doing the crease first and then outer corner. But with how these pigments work in these palettes, you have to do outer corner first and do your darkest shade and then layer your lightest shades on top. Otherwise the darker shades come off patchy. And these palettes are amazing though, but I just had to learn the ins and outs of the palette and the pigments themselves. Amazing quality, as you can see. I just did a brow highlight also, and now I'm blending the crease, transition, and brow bone together. I love that fade. I'm obsessed with that part of it. Taking also from the first row this really pretty kind of bright grape-y kind of purple, and I'm going to be taking this blue shade, this shimmery blue shade, in the lower half of the palette, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner here. And I am going to take Revlon's Galaxy Dream palette in the shimmery green that's in there, the duo white and green shade. I'm applying that over top of it, and I love this pop. So that's a WetnWild Breakup eyeliner. This is a Santee gel eyeliner, and it's just in like a really pretty lilac shade. Hard Candy Volumizing Mascara. I don't know what happened to the clips of the lashes, but they are Ioni Lashes with the AOA Studio Lash Adhesive. This Hard Candy All Matte Up Lip is called Lush Orchid. Didn't realize that wasn't in frame either, but this is the finished look. I feel that this was fairly easy to achieve. I always love that my green eyes pop when I wear purple, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and the look as much as I did. I hope you found it helpful, and we'll stay tuned for more looks. Try to look out for yourselves. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links, and a product list in the description box as well. There's a BeautyBay playlist. There is lots of other content, so stay tuned. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this beautiful purple makeup look today.